Start.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Gear Monkey, and today I am here at Full Send FPV, and I am going to be doing a review on the newest Auline Lipo battery packs. So these are available exclusively here at Full Send FPV, and make sure you use my code MONKEY, M-U-N-K-E-Y, for 5% off. So today I'm going to be reviewing three batteries. I'm reviewing the 1550, this is 120C. I'm going to be reviewing the 450 milliamp 2S 80C, and I'm also going to be reviewing the 850 milliamp 80C. So the first video you're going to see is going to be my actual racer with the 1550, and then I'm going to use my squirt with the 850, and then I'm going to use my smaller 2S whoop with the 450 milliamp batteries. And hope you guys like the footage and everything like that. At the end of the video, I'll let you know how I think about the batteries. Thank you. Okay, everybody, so after doing a few flights with the Auline batteries, I gotta say I'm actually pretty darn impressed with these batteries. Especially these little 450s, they actually do really good on my 2S Whoop, and the 850 did really good on my Squirt, and the 1550 did really good. I didn't have any kind of battery sag or anything like that. They stayed pretty consistent the whole way through. So I'm definitely going to give these a 2 thumbs up for sure. I'll definitely be getting some more of these and flying them. I definitely like them, and they're cost effective. They're not too bad. So definitely, if you're interested, hop on the fullsendfpv.com website and pick some of these up. They are going to be making the 1S batteries eventually for tiny whoops. They don't have them right now, and I know they're going to be making have some 1300s and stuff like that. So they're going to be having a whole lot of different sizes and milliamps. So definitely check them out for sure. So thanks guys for hanging out. Thanks for watching the video, and as always, while you're waiting for the next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day.